Welcome back to Bike Sphere, where we dive into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a dirt bike that continues to dominate the adventure segment with its rugged build and unbeatable value. Let's get started. What's new in the 2025 Xpulse 200? Hero MotoCorp has fine-tuned the 2025 Xpulse 200, blending reliability with cutting-edge updates. The bike now comes equipped with an updated BS 6.2 compliant engine, delivering smoother power and improved fuel efficiency. The new color schemes and graphics are striking, giving it an edgier, off-road-ready look. With an emphasis on durability, Hero has reinforced the frame for better stability on rough terrain. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Xpulse 200 lies a 199.6 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine with an oil cooler, producing 18.9 brake horsepower and 17.35 Nm of torque. The refined fuel injection system ensures responsive throttle control, whether you're tackling trails or cruising city streets. The wide gear ratios make it versatile for both low-speed crawling and high-speed bursts. Off-road-ready features. The Xpulse 200 continues to shine with its dirt bike DNA. It features a high-mounted exhaust, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, long travel suspension, and 220 mm of ground clearance. The all-new adjustable rear monoshock is a game-changer, offering customized comfort and control. Additionally, Hero has included upgraded knobby tires for better grip on challenging surfaces. Tech and connectivity. The 2025 Xpulse comes with Hero's advanced X-Sense technology and an updated LCD console. The console now supports Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride analytics. This dirt bike isn't just about brute force, it's smart and user-friendly too. Why the Xpulse 200 still rules? Priced competitively, the Hero Xpulse 200 remains an ideal choice for adventure enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner exploring dirt tracks or an experienced rider looking for a reliable partner, the Xpulse delivers an unmatched blend of performance, affordability, and versatility. Final thoughts. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 proves that you don't need a big-budget bike to conquer the wild. Its balance of performance, durability, and modern features cements its position as a top contender in the dirt bike segment.